Harlem River, talk to me. Tell me what you think about Harlem River. I'm in love, 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 love. Harlem River, talk to me. Where we headed now? Harlem River, I'm in love, 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 love. All because of you. In my pearl and my diamond shoes, I've climbed a cloud, now I've stole the moon.
Here we are at the church at Great Linford. So we're about halfway now to Newport Pagnell. And we've got to go to St Peter's and St Paul's, have a look at that church, and then right down the town centre.
In Harlem River, swallow me. Put your hands around my neck. In Harlem River, I can't breathe. They've got the lights down now. In Harlem River, give me wings. Put my head up in the clouds. In Harlem River, all because oh, I'm nowhere now. Harlem River, tell me, is it true that in my pearl and my diamond shoes I've climbed a cloud, now I've stole the moon? Harlem River, all because of you. Don't know, I don't know just where I'm going, 'cause I've never been. And I don't know, I don't know just where I'm going or where I've been. Oh, Harlem River, like a diamond. Rattle, that easy rattle, flow like that Harlem River. and ride out that easy rattle. Flow like that Harlem River. I ride for you, I ride for you, I ride for you, I ride for you.
Here we are at the marina at Campbell Park. Just having a ride round. Looks like there's some kind of party going on in there. You can hear it. It's quite warm again this evening. Quite beautiful here, isn't it?
Love is when you feel like you feel good for someone. You love them more like anyone else. You just think they're the greatest people on the earth. I would go up to her and I'd say, I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you.
Not quite at top Johnny speed, but it's a train. Tonight I'm sitting down for my chocolate biscuits and cup of tea. So, chocolate biscuits are down there. They are chocolate, it's upside down. Okay, and obviously sweet tea. Sat down on the 10th floor of the train station car park. And unbelievably, there's a car up here. First time I've ever seen one up here. Anyway, let's try the tea, make sure it's okay. Not bad. Well, I've sat down, had 4 biscuits and a flask of tea and no trains. Got to be due one, sure to go. Right, I think that's me done. I'm going to start heading back, I think.
Some kind of speech showing that he really does love her a lot.